Bangladesh has emerged as one of the world's leading hubs for garment manufacturing. Bangladesh is known for its high-quality garments production, competitive pricing, and skilled labor force. For businesses and entrepreneurs who are looking to source best quality garments, Bangladesh offers a wealth of opportunities. They have a huge garments manufacturing factory in Bangladesh. All the factories are not the same. You have to find the best factory for your business. However, successfully navigating the sourcing process requires a strategic approach. Today we will give you a complete guide for the best way to source garments from Bangladesh. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to source garments from Bangladesh effectively. Before diving into the sourcing process, it's crucial to understand the structure and strengths of the Bangladeshi garment industry. Bangladesh is the second largest exporter of ready-made garments, RMG globally, after China. The industry is renowned for its expertise in producing a wide range of apparel, including knitwear, woven garments, and specialty items like denim and sportswear. Now I tell you some key strengths of Bangladesh's garment industry. The first strength of Bangladesh garments is cost-effective production. Bangladesh offers some of the most competitive pricing in the global market due to lower labor costs. Second strength of Bangladesh garments is skilled workforce. Bangladesh has a large, skilled labor force experienced in garment production. The third strength of Bangladesh garments is their compliance and ethical standards. Most of the Bangladeshi manufacturers adhere to international compliance standards, including ethical labor practices and environmental regulations. The fourth strength of Bangladesh garments is infrastructure and logistics. Bangladesh has developed robust infrastructure and logistics support, including modern ports, which facilitate efficient global shipping. Now I will discuss how to identify the right garment manufacturers from Bangladesh. Finding the right manufacturer is the cornerstone of successful sourcing. Bangladesh is home to thousands of garment factories, ranging from small-scale units to large, fully integrated production facilities. Here I give you some sources to identify the right partner for your sourcing. The first and reliable source is industry directories. Use industry directories such as the Bangladesh Garment Manufacturers and Exporters Association, BGMEA, or the Bangladesh Knitwear Manufacturers and Exporters Association, BKMEA, to find reputable manufacturers. In their website, you can find out about the registered garments manufacturing company. But the problem is the garments who are registered on BGMEA or BKMEA Association, they are big factories. Most of the factories are booked with huge orders, so if you want to produce a small amount at the first time, you have to source the factory from a different source. The second source of finding a reliable supplier is trade shows. Attend trade shows like the Dhaka International Textile and Garment Machinery Exhibition, DTG, to meet potential suppliers and view their products firsthand. Also, you can attain your local international trade show where you can find the Bangladesh garments manufacturer to showcase their products. The third option for sourcing suppliers is online platforms. Utilize online platforms like Alibaba, Global Sources, and Bangladesh-specific portals to connect with manufacturers. You can contact our factory Haque Textile for production of your garments. Visit our website for more details. When selecting a manufacturer, evaluate their production capacity, quality standards, certifications like ISO, RAP, and past client reviews. It's also essential to assess their expertise in producing the specific type of garments you need. The third step is conduct due diligence. Once you have shortlisted potential manufacturers, conducting thorough due diligence is critical. Here I give you some key points for conducting due diligence. The first point is factory visits. If possible, visit the factories in person to assess their facilities, meet the management team, and inspect production lines. This will give you insights into their capabilities and quality control processes. The second point is quality audits. Arrange for a third-party quality audit to ensure the manufacturer meets your quality standards. This audit should include checks on raw materials, production processes, and final product inspection. The third point of conducting due diligence is compliance verification. Ensure that the manufacturer complies with local and international labor laws, environmental regulations, and ethical standards. Certifications like BSCI, CEDEX, and OECOTEX are indicators of compliance. Now the fourth stage. It's negotiate terms and pricing. Effective negotiation is key to securing favorable terms. When negotiating with Bangladeshi manufacturers, consider the following point. The first point is MOQ, minimum order quantity. Understand the manufacturer's MOQ and negotiate it based on your needs. Larger orders typically result in better pricing. Second point is pricing. Get detailed quotes that include material costs, labor, packaging, and shipping. Negotiate to ensure competitive pricing while maintaining quality standards. Third point is payment terms. Must be discussed about payment terms, such as the percentage of advance payment, payment on delivery, or letters of credit, LC. Ensure that the terms align with your financial capabilities and risk management strategies. Fourth point is lead times. Before placing any order, you have to clarify production lead times and ensure that they meet your timeline requirements. Factor in potential delays and set realistic delivery schedules. For best sourcing garment from Bangladesh, our fifth step is secure samples and approvals. Before placing a bulk order, request samples to evaluate the quality, fit, and finish of the garments. This step is crucial to avoid surprises in the final product. During the sample review process, you have to follow some points. Here I discuss it. First point is provide detailed specifications to your supplier. Give the manufacturer clear specifications, including fabric type, colors, sizes, and design details. The second point is review samples thoroughly. Must be check the samples for quality, durability, and adherence to your specifications. If adjustments are needed, communicate them clearly to the manufacturer. Final point is obtain approvals. Once you are satisfied with the samples, provide formal approval to proceed with mass production. The fifth step for source garments from Bangladesh is to manage production and quality control. During the production phase, maintaining regular communication with the manufacturer is essential. Implement quality control measures to ensure that the final products meet your standards. For ensuring this step, you can consider the following point. The first point is production monitoring. Stay in touch with the factory to monitor production progress. Regular updates can help you identify and address potential issues early. The second point is third-party inspections. Hire a third-party inspection service to conduct pre-shipment inspections. This ensures that the goods meet your quality standards before they are shipped. The 7 steps for source garments from Bangladesh is handle logistics and shipping. Efficient logistics and shipping are critical to getting your products to market on time. Bangladesh has well-developed shipping infrastructure. Here are some important points for handling logistics and shipping. First point is to choose the right shipping method. First, you have to decide between sea freight, air freight, or a combination based on your budget and delivery timeline. Small amount is best for air freight. A big amount is for sea freight. Secondly, you have to work with reliable freight forwarders. Choose the best partner with experienced freight forwarders who can handle customs clearance, documentation, and shipping logistics from suppliers to your country. The third point is the plan for import duties and taxes. It's a critical and important thing to understand the import duties, taxes, and customs regulations in your destination country to avoid unexpected costs. Different countries have different types of rules for import goods tax. Some countries have an agreement tax reduction. The final step is to build long-term relationships with suppliers. Building a strong, long-term relationship with your Bangladeshi manufacturer can lead to better collaboration, improved product quality, and more favorable terms over time. To foster a successful partnership, you have to communicate regularly with the supplier. Maintain open lines of communication to address issues promptly and share feedback on products. Be transparent with suppliers. Because transparency in business dealings builds trust and facilitates smoother transactions. You can also offer fair compensation to suppliers. Ensure that your pricing allows for fair compensation to the workers and the manufacturer, promoting a sustainable business relationship. That's the complete guideline for source garments from Bangladesh. If you have any questions about the sourcing garment manufacturing company from Bangladesh, you can comment on the comment section. I will make a video on your question, the next one. Thanks for watching my video.